Definitely recording this time. Good. Hello, cherries. You are amazing. And this is Maths for Wednesday, the 10th of February. Good morning, Cherry Tree. Good morning, Miss Stevenson and Mrs. House and Mrs. Gonzalez and Miss Weil. Good morning, everyone. I am so happy to see you all today, and let's dive straight in. Here we go. Let's start with some counting. We're going to count in fives. Remember, handily on your hands, 4 fingers, 1 thumb equals 5. Helpful. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Our key vocabulary today is tens, ones, digit, and then crucially, more than and less than. More than. More than. Less than. Less than. Here I've got 3, I think they're tangerines. 1, 2, 3. 1 more than would be 4. 1 more. If I gobbled one up and I had 1 less than, less, less, I'd have 2 left. Let's just dive in actually. Okie dokes. Now, before we start our main lesson, let's do some work on our number bond chant. So you've all got your own. So if you would like to, you can pause the video now and find your number bond chants and say your version of the number bond chant. If not, just join in with me. Here we are, number bonds to 10. Remember, number bonds just mean numbers that go together to make 10 or to make another number. These are our 1s to 10. 1 and 9, this is fine. 2 and 8, don't be late. 3 and 7, maths is heaven. 4 and 6, I like chips. 5 and 5, do a jive. Excellent. And I like this picture because it really proves it. Let's have a look at our objective for today. We're going to find missing numbers. The blue level of challenge is to explain what is 1 more than or 1 less than within around 30, up to about 30. The purple level of challenge is to explain what is 1 more than or less than within around 50, with some, I'm going to put some in to push you. I have already. The red level of challenge is to explain what is 10 more or 10 less than something. And the orange level of challenge is to explain another way of finding a missing number. And I'm going to explain what that means. So let's start here. I have got some lovely Numicon right here. What have I got? I've got 1, 2, 3, something, 5 and 6. What is that missing number? Here's 3. What is 1 more than 3? What would that be if there was another 1 there? 4. So my missing number is 4. 4 is 1 more than 3. And 4 is 1 less than 5. Good start. Let's see the next one. Here we go. So we've got 5, 6, something, 8, 9, 10. What is that missing number? Oh gosh, it doesn't even start with a 1. That's confusing. 5, there's a 6. What would 1 more than 6 be? 7. 7 is 1 more than 6. 8 is 1 more than 7. 7 is 1 less than 8. Really good job. Good maths, everyone. Let's try the next one. Again, it doesn't start with a 0 or a 1. We've got a 7 here, so it goes 7, and then we've got an 8. What is this missing number? Then 10, then 11. What is 1 more than 8? If there was another 1 there, 9. Yes. And 9 is 1 less than 10. 9 is 1 more than 8. 9 is 1 less than 10. Good maths, everybody. Let's go on. This is the blue level of challenge. We're trying to find a number, missing numbers, just like we've just been doing. Let's start. So I've got number lines now. Okay. Starts with a 0. Okay. What is this missing number going to be? Well, what do I know? I've got 8 here. What is 1 more than 8? 9. Fantastic. Then I've got another missing numbers, and this is going up to 20 now. Right, so I've got 13, 10, and 3. That's a bit confusing. Well, I'll tell you what, I do know 1 more than 3 is 4. So 1 more than 13 must be 14. Yay! 14. Let's have a look at these ones. Right, what have I got here? Here is 10. What's 1 more than 10? 10 add 1 is 11. I know that. This is the blue level of challenge today. And some of them are going to go up to 30. If you want to, you can use your deans that I've sent out to prove it, okay? So for example, oh no, I've already given you the answer to that one. Let's carry on. Right, if you are doing the purple level of challenge today, your numbers go up to around about 50. So, this is looking tricky already. So I'm definitely going to use my deans now to make things really clear. So let's start here. Right, it doesn't even start with a 1 and the missing number is before this. Right, what do I know? 22. I'm going to make 22. 22. Right, let's see. Here's 22. First of all, what's 1 more than 22? 10, 20, 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Good maths. So I can write 23 here. Excellent. Now, what is 1 less than 22? Let's go back to our 22. Here's 10, 22, 1 less. It's 21. "21 is 1 less than 22. 23 is 1 more than 22. Let's go on here. Well, this one starts with a 30. So if I make 10, 20, 30, what's 1 more going to be? 31. And then what's 1 more than that going to be? 32. Let's just check how I would write those. 31 here. Excellent. And then I'm going to have a go at writing 32. Is that right? Oh, silly me. I got my numbers the wrong way around because it isn't 2 10s. It's 1, 2, 3 10s and 2 1s. Making it really helped me there. Excellent job. Okay. So if you're doing the purple level of challenge, fill in these missing numbers, use your deans to prove it. And just like I did, I made a mistake then. If I hadn't have used my deans, I might have gotten confused which way around my numbers go. If you are doing the red level of challenge today, you are going to be thinking about 10 more than and 10 less than. So let's have a look at our 100 square here. If we look at the pattern that's in the 3s column, 3, then all the way down here is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. They all end in a 3. They're going up 10 more than, which we did in spider counting earlier in the year. So we've got 0 10s, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. So I could say 23 is 10 more than 13. I could say 27 is 10 more than 17. I could say 19 is 10 more than 9. I could say 44 is 10 more than 34. Let's just double check it. Here's my 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you go down, it's 10 more. 10 more. 10 more. If you go up, what does that mean then? If it's 10 more to go down, 10 less. 10 less. 10 less. Let's have a look at that. Right. Here's from when I recorded earlier. Never mind. Here we go. So I've got a 1 here, something, and a 21. Now, it's not going to be 2 because a 2 would go here. If I look at my 100 square, 2 is next to it, not underneath it. So what is here? Let's start by having a 1. 1. I'm going to add 10 more. 10 more than 1 is 11. 1 10, 1 1. And then another 10 more would be 21. So I know that 11 is 10 less than 21. Let's try the next one. Here we go. I've got a 3 to start with. 1, 2, 3. And I need to add 10 more this time. 10 more than 3 is 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 10 and 3 ones. There's another missing box. 10 more again. 10, 23. 23. 23 is 10 more than 13. Oh, now, hang on a minute. I've got my 14 here. I've got my 24, but then there's a missing one above it. Huh. I'm going to start by making 14. That seems like a good place to start. So I've got my 14, 1 10, 4 ones. And now I need to do 10 less than. Take away my 10. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! 10 less than 14 is 4. Ooh, trickier one now. 36. So I'm going to make my 36. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, so now I need to do 10 more than 36. 10, and that is 10, 20, 30, 46. Of course it is. Okay. 46. And then to work out this, I do another 10 more. Okay, fantastic job, everybody. Here is the blue level of challenge today, just like we talked about. The purple level of challenge, just like we talked about. And for the red level of challenge, you have got some 10 more than and 10 less than, and 100 square foot fun. If you want to push yourself, can you explain another strategy for finding one of these missing numbers? And what I mean by that is there another way that you do it? Because you just do it naturally. And if you do, how can you explain that? Okay, good job, mathematicians. I can't wait to see your work. Good job, everyone.